Oh no, I got a nail in my hand! Lily!
What's wrong, Max?
Look at my hand!
Ugh.
Ow!
Well, let's get you to a hospital.
I got you! It was just a prank!
What?
Look!
Oh, you got me good. How'd you do it?
First, we need a prank nail. Break the nail into 2 parts. Put some lash glue on the nails. Hold the nails in place until they dry. Now roll up some makeup putty. Now place the putty around the nail pieces. Pinch it around the nail and smooth it to the skin. Now use a brush and eyeshadow to blend out the texture of the skin. Now apply fake blood around the edge of the nail. For an extra touch, spray some fake blood around it.
Whoa, this looks so real.
Yeah, yours looks really good.
Let's go see if we can prank Amy.
Oh yeah!
Let's go, Max.
All right.
Do you guys like our videos? Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Max, is that your car?
What? No!
Come on, Max. Beware of thieves.
Ooh, I know. We just need a bottle of lotion and a knife. Empty out the bottle of lotion. Rinse out the remaining lotion. Make sure to dry the bottle. Use a knife or a box cutter to cut it open. Be very careful. Remove the straw part of the bottle. Once you got the cap back on, it's ready to use. Now we can hide the belongings inside the bottle. It's okay, look.
Whoa, that's a really good idea.
Yeah, let's go.
Where's all the good stuff?
Are you guys missing anything?
Oh, no, we have everything, officer.
That's where it was.
All right, let's go.
Let's go home.
Yay! Oh, my shoes kind of stink. Hopefully nobody notices.
Oh, what's that smell?
Finally, I've been walking all day.
Lily, your shoes stink.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Oh, wait, that's not gonna work. Let me show you how. We'll just need a pair of socks and cat litter. Take each sock and wrap it around the opening. While holding the sock in place, pour in some cat litter. Remove the sock and tie it in a knot. Make sure to do it with both socks. Once you're done, you can stuff them in the shoes. Leave them in overnight for the best results. I think they're fresh now, Lily.
Okay. Oh, it does smell better.
See?
Thanks. Finally finished.
Whoa, how did you make those? Can you show me?
Yeah, let's start with the eggs. Here, start by separating the yolk from the egg.
Oh, this should be easy.
I'll just get the flour prepared.
I'll just scoop out the yolk. Oh man, I didn't get it. Let me try again. Let's try it a different way.
How's it going, Max?
It's going fine. Oh man, that didn't work.
Let me show you a trick. All you need is an empty water bottle.
Huh?
Use the empty water bottle to suction out the yolk. Squeeze the water bottle to push out some air.
Whoa, it actually worked.
Yep, now finish the rest.
Okay. Oh, this is almost done.
Max, is the pasta almost done?
Yeah, I just need to strain it now. Let me strain this into the sink. Oh no!
What'd you do, Max? Wait, there's a better way to do this. Instead of pouring the pasta out, just put the strainer on top. Here, try it out.
Okay. Wow. That worked really good. Thanks, Lily.
Max, out of water. Can you water the plant?
Oh, sure.
Max, my homework!
Oh, sorry, Lily.
way. You'll need an empty water bottle and a drill. Simply drill through the cap. Just repeat this step a few more times. We're all done. Now we just need to fill it up with more water. Wait, I know a better way. Here, try this instead.
Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Great idea, Lily.
Thanks. Now help me with my homework.
Okay.
Time for peanut butter.
Oh, gross! Oh no, we're out of bread. What am I gonna do?
This is what you should have done. Once you're done using the peanut butter, flip it upside down. Since oil rises to the top, when you flip it right side up, the oil will be on the bottom.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thanks, Lily.
Here, did you want my other half?
Oh yeah, thanks. Oh, finally. Oh man, now I gotta wash the dishes. Oh, it's all stuck. How am I gonna get it out?
Wait, Max, there's an easier way. Let me show you. First, put some water in the pan. Put the pan back on the stove, then turn it on. Now wait for the water to boil. The food will loosen up when the water boils. Now dump it in the sink. Now just use a napkin to wipe off the leftovers.
Whoa, that was easier than I thought. How do you guys like your eggs? Leave a comment down below. Do it right now. Thank you.
Ah, there it is. Oh, now I have to refold all of these. Almost done.
Hey, Lily.
Max! Took me forever to fold these.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I know a trick. First, lay the jeans flat. Now fold the legs halfway up. And the waist halfway down. Tuck the legs into the waist. Finally, fold it in half. Now your jeans won't unfold.
Oh!
Here you go.
Wow, I wish I would have thought of that.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.